I'll never forget the morning that I saw an article about a group of Muslims who had bought 30 acres and were planning to build a complex. When I saw that, my stomach kind of tightened up. They were going to be right across the street from us. I felt that ignorance and that fear, so I prayed. I said, Lord, what are we supposed to do?
The idea of Memphis Islamic Center started because we felt we needed a family life center, a place for people to pray and play, to socialize, and have a sense of community. It is a difficult time for Muslims in America. We did not expect to be welcomed. We thought we have to work hard. And one day we were driving by and we see a banner, and that banner says,
𝗎𝗏𝗠𝗠𝗘 Church welcomes the Memphis Islamic Center to the neighborhood.
Me and my wife both were thinking about leaving church because I just did not accept what was going on. I went to Pastor Steve and asked him, I said, what are we doing? He told me to read the Gospels. When I read through those Gospels, and I figured out I was the problem. What was going on with the world today? I was the problem.
And then we started building. The month of fasting, the month of Ramadan, was supposed to be our grand opening day where we start praying here, and it was clear that we were not going to have our hall ready.
We got a call, and Bashar said, we just wondered if we could use your building for our prayers.
In case we don't get our permit in time. Instead of using the room for a few nights, we ended up spending the entire month of Ramadan at 𝗎𝗏𝗠𝗠𝗘 Church. Ramadan brought us much closer. People started knowing each other on a personal level.
We had done coat drives and food drives, and close to 9/11, we do a blood drive together.
I would have never thought that I would be friends with Muslims. Right here. And I love it. It's kind of like my world got bigger.
We are a better congregation now. We are better people because of this friendship with 𝗎𝗏𝗠𝗠𝗘.
It's an amazing friendship that I can't imagine having missed out on.
How's everybody doing today? Well, cheer louder if you're having fun.